It's very exciting to be here with my colleagues, Nancy Duff Campbell, Fatiima Graves, to talk about a very exciting time at the National Women's Law Center. Duffy and I are going to be stepping down as co-presidents of the center at the end of June. And we have had enormous pride in all of the center's accomplishments over the last 45 years. We brought, for example, the first major Title IX athletics discrimination case in the early 70s. We fought to get the Pregnancy Discrimination Act passed. Now we're fighting to keep that Affordable Care Act that has been so important in opening up health care for all women, including reproductive health care and meeting all of women's health needs. And it will be a big fight now of our lives to keep that in place, and many other things as well. Though what is most exciting about thinking of these fights is that we will have Fatiima Graves as our next leader. The board of directors of the center has appointed her as the new president of the center. She has been with us for over 10 years, and she is our senior vice president for program now, in charge of all of our program areas. So the center is really poised to take off for this new chapter in our history.
I too am very proud of our over 4 decades of accomplishments at the center, and to have been at the helm with my good friend Marcia for the successes that we've had and the challenges that we've had. But we've never probably had a bigger challenge than we have right now, and that's why we're both so thrilled that we have Fatiima as the new president of the center. She's smart, she's strategic, she's savvy, and most importantly, she has a deep commitment to the issues that women are facing today, and a deep knowledge of the ways to address those issues. So we couldn't be more thrilled about her selection and are looking forward to the future with Fatiima at the helm.
Thank you to both of you. I am so honored to be the next president of the National Women's Law Center, and I am just grateful to both of you for your friendship and your mentorship, and really to all of the work that the National Women's Law Center has done over these last 4 decades for birthing this great institution. The National Women's Law Center is ready for these really, really tough times. We're focused on the issues that are core to the lives of women and girls. And we know that the way that we must work to be truly transformational in the lives of women and girls, that means that we must center the experiences of women of color, of LGBTQ individuals, of immigrant women, and we know that all of these issues are going to be interconnected. We will be putting those issues front and center. We also know that, frankly, the National Women's Law Center, these are tough times, but we were built for these types of times. Whether it is the pairing of our strategic law and policy work, our ability to work in different forums in the courts and legislatures and in the public, and our ability to galvanize a public that is engaged and ready to go. So these times are tough, but we are ready. And I could not be more proud and honored to be the National Women's Law Center's next leader.